Do you know why school buses don't have seatbelts? Well, it's because whenever they get in a car crash, it's going to be hard for them to get out because the school bus is so big. So it would be way quicker if it didn't have seatbelts and they didn't have to unbuckle it. You know how children sometimes have problems like trying to unbuckle their seatbelt? Like, I have that problem sometimes. That's why they don't have. I don't know if y'all can hear that scraping, but it is so annoying, interrupting me. So that is why school buses don't have seatbelts.